Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to lock Google Keep Notes. First of all, open the Keep Notes app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to this type of page. Here, all of your recent notes will be displayed. Simply select an existing note and open it up. Inside it, tap on the box and arrow button at top right corner and your note will now become archived. You can also see that the note has now disappeared from the home page and is locked. In order to bring it back, tap on the three lines menu at top left corner and then select Archived from the list. Now, all of your archived notes will be available here. In order to unlock it, simply access it, then tap on the box and arrow icon at top right corner and your note will be unlocked. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.